Hi guys, it's me Raymond here again. Yes, my webcam doesn't still not working, but I still got my screen recording here. So hey, you know. So yeah, I got my business cards ready, and overall, I think they look pretty good. I kept it nice and simple, mostly because I didn't have that much time, but still had enough time to make it very professional looking, and I'm pretty happy with them. It's not too bad. So yeah, I stuck with my this logo, the CNEA with the pupil in the eye. A lot of people like that more, and it's more recognizable. You can shrink it, you can enlarge it, you can still know what it is. So yeah, I stuck with that, and but I did change the color over here to like a red, and yeah, it just looks so much better. And I did have to smooth out some things to make it look a little nicer. And then after that, it's just a matter of designing a card, and I just stuck with this. I don't know what you call it, but this style. But yeah, just professional looking kind of a style. I put these stripes here to like lead the viewer's eye, look up and down, not make the whole space completely empty. Same thing over here, with my name, I put like a black box, white font, and put like a border around here, make it look, not boring, not plain, just have that overall sense of style, And my cat is moving the mouse. Stop it. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's not too busy, yet not too empty. And so I think I might print out some of these since now I'm graduating too. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys like it. Give me some feedback on what you guys think. And yeah, I am done. Thank you guys. I'll see ya. Bye.